Hello, all the student and guardian. Welcome to the Grammar Village. How are you? I'm very great. Remember, English is the key to success of your child. If you want to read properly, what is smartly, we have to know the correct accent of ABCD. After completing ABCD, then we will start the 2-letter words, 3-letter words, then syllable, what the others. Like this way, we can improve our reading, what the correct pronunciation properly. Yes? Yes. So, today I will discuss about what? Why? Why for? Yeah. So, what is the picture board here? What? Dangerous. So, what is this? This is yuck. Why for? Yeah for? Yuck. Be careful. কিন্তু গুতা মারবে কিন্তু কাছে গেলে এর মস্ত বড় শিং গুতা দিয়ে কিন্তু একদম শেষ করে ফেলবে বি কেয়ারফুল ওকে সো why for yeah for yuck why for yuck what is the start of I yuck যেটা বাংলায় বলা হয় চমড়ি গায় চর্মি গায় what the চমড়ি গায় ওকে জঙ্গলে থাকে wild beast. Okay, then next, what is this? Oh, interesting playing instrument. What is this? Why? Why for? Yeah. আমরা yo খেলি না হ্যাঁ why for সেই yo কিন্তু why for yeah yes then next. Oh, tasty food items. So what? Okay. Why for? Yeah. Yummy. So nice. Tasty. Why for? Yeah. Yeah for? Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. Yes. Okay. Then what is this? This is a ship. What type of ship is it? What? Echat. Why for? Yeah. Echat. Yachat. Why for? Yeah. Echat. Yachat. Okay. Yes. Then next. Why for? What? Yeah. Yeah for yoga. Why for? Yeah for yoga. Why for? Yeah for yoga. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now I'll give revision. Why for? Yeah for yak. Why for? Yeah for yak. Why for? Yeah for yo-yo. Why for? Yeah for yummy. Why for? Yeah for yachat. Why for? Yeah for yoga. Okay, that's all. Bye.
Hello all of my friends. Welcome to Grammar Village. To stay connect with us, please like our Facebook page, Grammar Village BD, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Grammar Village BD. Thank you.